hot in here. Is it not hot in here?
We ain't got no freaking music, I know that.
Sorry, I'm trying to vlog. Are you ready?
What am I ready for?
This weekend.
Yeah.
Okay. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are vlogging. We're actually going to be vlogging this whole weekend. So I'm back with my mans. Say hello.
Hello.
He's super enthused. But anyway, we're heading back to Tuscaloosa, which is where we went to college, and we have a fun-ish weekend planned. Sam is gonna go get his toes done for the first time. He's really looking forward to it. But anyway, so we thought it'd be fun to do a cute little vlog just for this weekend. So if you like this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave us some comments. You have anything to say?
Boom.
Oh, my face looks so fat.
Oh God. I'm so sick and tired of you saying that.
Well, you didn't say it was skinny. You just busted face. Who's a good boy, huh? He's so soft.
Rico,
Rico, sit down.
Come here. Good boy.
Good boy, Rico. Hey, good boy.
Sit. Hey, sit down. Sit. Sit.
Good boy.
Boy. Boy.
That's a good boy. Good boy,
Here.
Rico. Hello? Where's your... Hey, do you have a wine bottle opener?
Yeah, it's that one that Mom got us for Christmas. It works. She said it did.
Oh, this stupid thing?
These are
Yeah,
nice.
it works so good. It's the coolest one. It's stupid.
Wait, I just don't know how to use it.
Oh, it's like, just literally stick it on there and push and pump.
Okay. And does, like, the cork come out or no?
The name's Rico Ball.
Yeah.
Puncture it?
Yep.
Okay.
With your left hand, grab the top of the bottle so that you're also holding the plastic around it, and then start pumping with your right hand.
Okay, and then what do I do? Like, how do I know when it's done?
Just like slowly release the pressure from your left hand.
Oh. That is so cool.
You guys bought this new wine. You're not drinking any of my wine.
No, yeah, we bought it.
I gotta go buy.
Okay, guys, so it's been a few hours. As you guys saw, we took Rico, which is my sister's dog, to the dog park, or just the park across the street. And now we are going to grill some steaks, eat some dinner, and maybe go chill by the fire pit. So yeah, so we're gonna be cooking. I think we're making steaks, and then we ordered some, it's like this baked potato, mashed potato thing. It's really, really good from Fresh Market. And then we're just gonna grill up some veggies. But we're also avid wine drinkers, so we're gonna get some wine going. And I don't really know what's gonna go on for the rest of the night, but we're just gonna be cooking and eating. Okay, guys, so this is the baked potato salad situation that I was talking about. We just picked it up from Fresh Market. It's like in their like little pre-made section, and you just heat it up in the oven. My sister does not have a casserole dish apparently, so I'm just using a little tiny saucepan. But anyway, then we're gonna do some zucchini and yellow squash. Sam is out heating the grill up, and he likes to marinate. See these yummy steaks? He likes to marinate his steaks in the Dale marinade sauce. So if you know what I'm talking about, it's super, super good. Excuse me. What you want?
I'm getting a freaking mimosa.
That's a pretty hefty breakfast you got going on over there.
It's because you don't ever feed it. Huh?
Are you excited?
This feels good right now to say that.
Are you nervous when they like scrub your feet though?
A little bit.
It doesn't hurt.
She might throw up.
Hmm?
She might throw up. I got her face mask on. I saw that.
It's okay. You'll be good.
Other guy. Get my gloves.
Get the heavy duty equipment.
Doing the yard work.
You just need a blowtorch for yours. Just burn them.
She need to cut them off.
Okay, so we just did our nails. What did you think of the pedicure?
It was good.
Was it nice?
Yeah.
Do you feel like she like really scrubbed them?
I mean, I saw her pull some stuff from underneath my toenails, and it was pretty gross.
That you didn't know was there?
Yeah.
Do you feel like that when she like did the pumice rock like thing where she
The what?
The thing where they like the thing that was ticklish?
Yeah.
Do you feel like it will like your feet are softer?
I guess. I don't know.
You don't know. What do you mean?
I mean,
And how do you feel now knowing that
I feel clean.
there are plenty of men? Is this recording? Yeah. That there are plenty of men who get their nails done.
I don't believe it. I still don't believe it.
So our nail tech guy said that there are like so many men that go and get their toes done, like 5 or 6 a day. And
It's not true.
Sam doesn't believe him. Oh my gosh, the seatbelt. Hold on. Okay. But anyway, nail time was a success. They were actually really fast too. The guy was like, he did a good job. Like he didn't go fast and do a shitty job. He went fast and did a good job too. But I always want these like really light
Hold up.
colors. And then, this happens all the time. Anyway, let me hold it. I always like want to get these like really light colors, and then I realize that they're not really like opaque enough. So you see my nails. Is it gross? Like,
Opaque?
yeah, like it's not like pigmented enough to where you don't like see the white part of my nail. But I guess it's okay. Girl problems. You can't relate.
I just bite mine.
Huh? You just bite yours? And that's why they look like Fred Flintstone.
These things are good.
They're better looking than your toes.
Not anymore.
Yeah. Now they look nice. I think we got you hooked on the pedicure.
It's
Don't you
TBD.
think?
It's TBD.
Okay. Well, what are we doing now?
Drinking.
It's like 11 o'clock. Are we gonna go home and let Rico out?
That's fine. Rico
Okay.
Baldelli?
Okay, wait, who is Rico Baldelli? Just so people know the reference.
Name's freaking Rico Baldelli.
Wait, who is that though?
He's the coach for the Twins.
Oh, this is attorney lane.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
He's the coach for the Twins.
Oh, okay. So that's what you're referring to?
He's got a hot wife. Rico Baldelli.
Oh my god.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
Good morning, guys. So yesterday we kind of stopped vlogging because we ended up going to eat with some friends and watch the Florida-Georgia game. So we didn't really vlog because that would be kind of weird and boring. But anyway, Sam has gone off to play golf with his friends this morning. So this is our last day at Tuscaloosa. We're planning on going back to Birmingham in a few hours. So I thought, and Sam and I both kind of agreed that it would be really cute if we helped clean my sister's house up a little bit. So just to be nice, like it's pretty clean, but I just figured I would go around and just make sure it was all nice for her when she got home. So we are going to be kind of packing up our stuff and just cleaning up. Well, I'm going to be cleaning up her house just as like a nice gesture, because that's the kind of sister I am.